Well, several weeks after Western Australia's election, two micro-parties are now set to join the crossbench of the state's upper house, despite receiving just a fraction of the primary vote. Sophia Mormon from the legalised marijuana party has secured a seat in the southwest region, while the Daylight Saving Party's Wilson Tucker will represent the mining and pastoral region, despite receiving 2 and 0.2% of the primary vote respectively. Now, with the latter, Tucker literally got 98 votes. ABC election analyst Anthony Green wrote on Twitter that the situation was priceless and added that you can't get a better case of what's wrong with group voting tickets. You may have noticed that Green actually said the candidate doesn't live in the state. Not only that, he doesn't live in Australia. Right now, he's in Seattle, Washington. And as you can imagine, there are now plenty of calls for the voting system in WA to change.